Welcome to the Graph Digitizer manual digitizer tutorial for the Unscan software. This tutorial will step you through the manual graph digitizing process using the Unscan software like a digitizing tablet. A startup screen will appear when the software is open and a pop-up menu will allow you to digitize a graph. This option can also be selected from the main Digitize menu or the Digitize toolbar. The image can come from a scanner, digital camera, internet, or other image source. The image to be digitized should be right side up, where the x-axis is in the horizontal direction and the y-axis is in the vertical direction. For this tutorial, we will choose a sample JPEG file that contains symbols and other features that require the graph to be digitized in manual mode. Although there are multiple graph digitizing modes available, for this tutorial we will choose the manual digitizing mode, where we can use the software like a digitizing tablet. Multiple graph digitizing options will be presented, and you can choose the options that best fit your situation. The manual point assignment method allows you several different options that can be useful. Clicking the question mark button associated with the assignment method will give you an explanation of each option. The single point click option simply allows you to point and click with your mouse or use the keyboard arrow keys to digitize points. The multi-point drag option allows you to drag the mouse to digitize multiple points along the curve. The center of gravity option allows you to use a small search window to automatically find the center of a data point or symbol by clicking near that point. For this tutorial, we will use the single point click option. In addition, we will use automatic X increments to increment in the X direction when we are digitizing along a curve. When digitizing your own image, you can experiment with the different options to find the one that works best for your image. The next screen is where you will place the setup icons on the image. General instructions will be presented at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag and drop the setup icons to their desired locations. A zoom window in the upper right corner of the screen can be used for precise location of the setup icons. The X-min, X-max, Y-min, and Y-max icon should be placed at the corresponding X-axis scaling marks and the appropriate values entered. After all the setup icons are placed on the image, click the Digitize button in the lower right corner of the screen. If your graph is slightly tilted, the Unscan software will give you the option to correct for that tilt. The Unscan software will then enter manual mode. Crosshair can be moved using the mouse or with the keyboard arrow keys. At the bottom left corner of the screen, the X and Y values of the current crosshair location will be displayed. To digitize a point, click the right mouse button at the location where you would like to digitize that point. Or press the keyboard spacebar to digitize the point at the current crosshair location. After each point is digitized, the number of data points digitized will be incremented by 1. To digitize data points along a curve, move the crosshair to the point where you wish to begin. Press the keyboard spacebar to digitize a point. If the automatic X increments was selected, the crosshair will automatically increment in the X direction. Simply use the keyboard up and down arrow keys to position the crosshair vertically on the line. And press the spacebar to store that point. Repeat this process to follow along the data curve. The digitized data points can then be saved to an XY data file or copied to the clipboard. The data points can then be pasted into Excel or any other spreadsheet or data analysis program. Thank you for watching our Unscan It Graph Digitizer manual digitizer tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the Unscan It software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need any additional information.